Dom here, Millennial Financial Product. Man, having a hard time getting motivation. I know it sounds bad, but I mean, it is what it is. To kill that feeling of not being motivated, I decided to come up here to the gym, try to get my day started. Man, there's some crazy stuff going on. Maybe they're catching somebody. I'm just rolling over here looking suspicious, you know what I'm saying? But they in my usual parking spot. So, I had to people on by. But man, today is the day. I know I said this last time I videoed and didn't do nothing about it, but I'm getting this office set up and we're gonna get some production, man. I'm sitting on a couple bids. It's probably not even bids no more. And we're gonna try to make it happen. We got a big job kicking off tomorrow in Carnegie. Can't get a hold of the labor right now, but hopefully they're gonna hit me up. If not, we're gonna have to make something happen. I'm just gonna have to go there and figure something out. But for now, we are going to hit this gym and try to get a little hoop session in. This is my current office space. It is just horrible. Just moved in not too long ago. Only thing I got shut up is the bookshelf over here. So we got to turn this around. I'm gonna start off with this drum set, getting this thing out of here. Then I'm gonna move this desk and to this corner, set up the new desk. That way we can get some good work vibes and knock some work out. Here's some light for you guys. Oh yeah, check out this time lapse. So not exactly where I want it to be, but we at least got some kind of workflow set up, monitors on the wall, Lappy on the tappy, mouse on the house, mouse in the house. And it's been a long time, but here we are, and we're just gonna jump right into it. So tomorrow we're starting a big job out in Carnegie. It's worth about $99K, so hopefully it all goes well. All we got bought for it right now is some tracks. I'm gonna take that down there, try to get this contract all signed up, get my documents submitted. Here's what the bank accounts are looking like. No explanation. We just kind of been on autopilot using our same money management system. It was a hard first quarter, but this is the result of now, I guess it is June now. So we are officially in the third quarter. We're looking all right for right now. Of course, this will be depleted in a month, but hopefully with the Facebook ads and the Craigslist ads, we can get some more work. I want to take you guys right along. Millennial Financial Product here, 26-year-old business owner, and we're trying to make dreams come true, you know what I'm saying? That's going to be it for now. I hope you enjoyed the office setup. And thanks again for my 19 subscribers. I appreciate you guys sticking with me. And yeah, let's see if we can make some good content. Yeah, that's gonna be it. That's it. Yeah, here's just a little slideshow of the recent events since the last time we posted. Nothing too big, just a little cool for you guys.